screw compressors, you're typically going to service them once a year. Depending on usage, it may be just a simple filter change. It may be a complete filter change and an oil change. We can answer any questions that you may have, or if you would like, then we can get you to a dealer who has a service department that can come in, service it for you, or even set you up on a service schedule. Depending on what oils you use and how much you use your compressor, we have different oils to fit your usage demand.
Confined spaces need to have ventilation, and in some cases, HVAC needs to be ducted into the mechanical room where the compressor's sitting so that the equipment doesn't overheat. That's important. Changing oil and filters is also important. All of these regular service intervals are clearly defined in our instruction manuals. We strongly suggest being familiar with the instructions on how to care for your equipment. Cleanliness, ambient temperature, and regular service intervals are critical for compressor machine maintenance.